Hi family, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share something that's going to make cleaning so much easier and actually kind of fun. Life Basics sent me their electric cleaning brush and I've been putting this to the test and designed to tackle tough grimes and ease. It comes with multiple brush heads so that you can clean your kitchen, bathroom tiles, and honestly anything that needs a good scrub. Plus is rechargeable and cordless, which means I can take it anywhere when I need to clean. This is absolutely a game changer. Designed to tackle tough grimes and grease. It comes with multiple brush heads so that you can clean your kitchen, bathroom tile, honestly, anything that needs a good scrub. Just look at Effortless if you've been with it. No more sore wrists or endless scrubbing. Check out the Lifebasis Electric Cleaning Brush. I'll drop the link in the description. You can buy it on Amazon. And also, if you are a creator like myself, grab at www.lifebasic.com to start earning your recommendations. This cleaning brush is a game changer. Life Basic Electric Cleaning Brush is powerful, cordless, and easily used. No scrubbing, no stress, just cleaning surface in a second. The link is in the bio. Don't forget to grab yours.